Welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing a rainbow with a bright sun can be a joyful and colorful activity for kids. At the bottom of the rainbow on the left side, draw a fluffy cloud by sketching several connected, curved lines. This cloud will sit at the end of the rainbow on the left. Repeat the same process to draw another fluffy cloud at the bottom of the rainbow on the right side, just below the sun. Starting near the bottom left side of the page, draw a large, curved line that arches over toward the right side, near the sun. This will be the top band of your rainbow. Below the first arc, draw 6 more curved lines, each one slightly smaller than the one above it, until you have 7 arcs in total. Start by drawing a medium-sized circle on the right side of your paper. This will be the center of the sun. Around the circle, draw several straight lines extending outward to represent the sun's rays. You can make them slightly curved or pointed to give them a playful look. Leave the clouds white or add a light blue shading to give them a soft, fluffy appearance. Color each band of the rainbow in the following order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Make sure to color carefully to keep the bands neat and vibrant. Color the sun's circle with a bright yellow, and use a darker yellow or orange for the sun's rays. Follow these simple steps to create a beautiful rainbow with a shining sun, and don't forget to color it in to make it vibrant and cheerful. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.